Have you ever bought a course online only to have it disappear later on? Well, to be honest with you, I didn't really expect this from one of the people that were involved in it, mostly because I already knew a little bit about him, and mostly because I'd seen his face in quite a few videos online, those being YouTube videos. Now, Victor, I don't know if I'm saying his name right, Paredes, is somebody who's been on YouTube for a long time. He makes a lot of claims as it is, and I want to show you real quickly here just by looking at the YouTube channel. You can see these videos here, you know, PayPal cash codes, 1370, free app that pays $100 instantly. So, you know, I already knew what I was getting into when I bought the course. The reason why I bought the course is because I buy other people's courses just to see how they teach them. So I already do reviews for Amazon. In fact, I had created my own course a while back ago, but I like to see what other people are doing and then give people information based upon my experience. However, I had no idea that this course was actually going to disappear. So they went through the course. It was a good course. There had a lot of people following them. And then one day they decided that they were going to go no further with the course. So Victor, and then there was Nikki Orton, who was involved as well, decided that they were just going to not do it anymore. So I think once you've paid into a course, what I think would be a good thing is, even though there's a lot of changes going on with Amazon, and that may have scared them, a lot of changes that happen with Amazon, maybe they don't want to keep up with that. Maybe they've got too much on their plate. I don't know. But as a buyer, if you're buying a course online, let the buyer beware that yes, anything could happen. But the point is this, is if you're putting a course out online, I believe you should just leave it as is. If the people pay for the course, just leave it. And there are ways for them to access it and have access to it whenever they want. And then if you decide not to go further with the course or do any additions to it, that's one thing. But making it disappear, I think it was a bit deceptive in buying a product that basically you could never go back to again. Now, I've been an affiliate for a long time. I've been an Amazon affiliate. I've been an influencer for a long time. So this was not anything for me that I really needed to do. I learned some stuff from them, but I really didn't need to do this course. I just like to see how these other courses work. But there were people who bought the course who were very disappointed because they had not become an influencer yet. And so you buy the course, it disappears, and you can go no further. Now, I did start a Facebook group to help those out because maybe I can answer some questions. Just be sure to head to the description box below where you can join that Facebook group. Ironically, the name of their group, what was it called? Amazon Review Rockstars. Okay, so I mean, they really pumped it up. They got a nice picture on here. But the big disappointment is this, is a lot of these people online that you see coming up with courses, and I call them gurus, are not always interested in the investment in you as much as their pocket. And that's what I've kind of learned from a lot of these and I bought a lot of courses online. And some of them are good. If you can get something from it, that's great. But at the end of the day, there is no loyalty with a lot of the people that create these courses with the people that buy them. And that's very unfortunate because I think a lot of them are just seeing dollar signs. I've created courses. I still talk to some of the people that I work with, and I've never thought of it that way because it really would be a big letdown. So I want you to be aware the next time that you buy a course, maybe do a little research on the person as well as to what they're about. So that may tell you a lot about them. So very disappointed that they did this. I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on. If you did buy into the course, and if you did and you're still looking for direction, be sure to have the description box below and you can ask me any question you want. I'll be sure to answer it. See you soon.